I am hosting another game jam, the Odin 7-day jam. So during this game jam, you will spend 7 days on making a video game using the Odin programming language. What this means is that you alone or a team of 1 to 3 people make a game within this time. You can use all the 7 days, or if you only want to work like during a weekend or some evenings, then that's fine too. And the game jam runs from March 8th to March 15th of 2025. This is the itch.io page here. It's linked in the description. That's where you sign up, and that's where all the rules and stuff are. And the game jam will kick off on March 8th, which is half an hour before the set start date here, with a intro live stream where I will show how to sort of get started with making games in Odin, some general pointers, and I will also at the end of that little stream reveal the theme for the game jam. And about this theme, your game needs to follow the theme that I reveal in some way. You can be a bit creative about it. But yeah, the theme will be announced when the game jam actually starts. And after the jam has ended, then 24 hours after that, I will play all the games. I will only be able to play the games that have a web build. So if your game is not playable directly on the game's itch page, then I'm afraid I won't be able to play it. But I have some templates and stuff for how to do that using Raylib and Sokol and stuff. If you're using Odin with any of those libraries, then I have some templates on how to get going with turning it into a web build. Also, if you want to make, if you submit your game just at the end of the game jam here, then you can still use the last 24 hours until I play the games to fix your web build. So I allow that sort of, don't work on the game after the game jam ends, except for making sure that the web build is properly set up. The winner of the jam will either get a copy of my book, or if they don't want that, then they can also have like a 1-hour private video consultation, teaching, discussion session with me on Odin or game dev. It's just, you know, I just call you on some video chat and we just hang out and talk about some stuff or something. And on the jam page, there's also some inspiration and resources. Most importantly, maybe this, the result from the previous jam I did, the Odin Holiday Jam 2024. This jam was very successful. It had 46 submitted games, and there are a bunch of, this is the winner, Deflect Dungeon, but there's also some nice runner-ups, and there's just a whole bunch of nice games, and many of them, I think almost all the runner-ups are playable in the browser and all that. So I, just go there and look for inspiration on what cool things people can create using Odin. And this game jam, the previous one, was only 48 hours. But the one we're doing this time is 7 days long. So you have a lot more time. You can make a more complex game. Maybe you can work more on making nice art. So maybe you can spend half the time working on the code and half the time working on art or something like that. Just take your time and make something that you think is fun. Also down here at the bottom of the jam page, there are some videos, links to videos by me on how to learn the basics of making games using Odin and Raylib, and how to put like your Raylib game on the web, or if you want to use Sokol, there is I also have a template for how to put a Sokol game on the web and stuff. And if you already know some stuff about Odin and want to learn more before the game jam starts, then I have also written a book. All these things are linked in the description of this video. During the jam, I will be streaming all my work on the game that I make. And if you also want to stream as you are working on your game, then I'll happily add you to a list on the itch page. The main community hub for my game jam will be my Discord server. There's an invite link to the Discord server in the description of this video. You can go there and hang out in the game jam channel that I have there, or you can talk about Odin or talk about game dev and stuff. It's a friendly community for all these different things. But during the game jam, this is where you'll be able to chat with the other people taking part in the game jam. That's it for now. It would be super fun if you can join my game jam, and I will see you on March 8th, 2025 at 6 p.m. Central European Time. Bye bye.